All right, this is Bruce, ConvoCourses. Sorry about the technical difficulties. Lost sound for a bit right there, but we're back. I'm going to be talking about how to add cybersecurity wording on your resume, specifically dealing with cybersecurity awareness. Before I start, you should know that I've released some free courses, more free courses on my course site, which is ConvoCourses.com. There's the free course right there, dealing with how to write your resume, what to put on it, how to word it. This is the free portion, but I'm expanding it out to something that's way more in depth, and it breaks down using CIS controls and NIST controls on how do you know if you have security features, if you already have security experience, and you probably already do, especially if you've been working in IT for a while. And another thing you should know is if you happen to be if you're doing dating online, this is something I actually know a lot about, and I get a lot of people asking me questions on the site, ConvoCourses. Being a security person and having gone through this, I actually created a whole course on how to avoid romance scams, the techniques I use, red flags, things like that. If you're interested, go ahead and check it out on relationship.thinkific.com, and the link will be in the description below once we're done with this live.